Did you know you can build a massive chest without lifting a single weight? Most people think push-ups are too simple to transform their body. But today I'll prove that wrong. Whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced athlete, I'm about to give you the perfect push-up workout to target every angle of your chest and the secret ab finisher that keeps your core shredded while you rest. The goal here is simple. Build a strong, powerful chest that looks incredible and performs even better, using nothing but push-ups. The problem? Most people do push-ups the wrong way, using the same boring variation over and over. No wonder they feel stuck, frustrated, and see little to no growth. The solution is variation and progression. Today, I'll show you 5 push-up exercises, each with beginner, intermediate, and advanced levels, plus ab exercises in between to maximize your results. Start with your upper chest while energy is high. Beginners stay on knees, intermediates on toes, and advanced athletes elevate your feet for decline push-ups. Next, target the thick middle chest. Start with knees, then standard push-ups, and finally archers for advanced chest isolation. Now hit the lower chest. Change your angle. Beginners incline, intermediates lean forward pseudo-planche, and advanced dive into modified Hindu push-ups. Most push-up workouts miss this key chest function, adduction. Twist for beginners and intermediates, or add a resistance band for the ultimate crossover push-up. Finish like an athlete. Add explosive power. Beginners use knees, intermediates, hand-release plyos. Advanced, go full explosive for chest power. That's your perfect push-up chest workout. No weights, just body weight. Take each set to failure, rest only with ab moves, and watch your chest transform. Want more powerful home workouts?